If you're looking to sync audio and video quickly and easily in Descript, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to get it done seamlessly using Descript's powerful tools, even if you're new to the software. Whether you're editing podcasts, video content, or any media, this guide will help you sync everything in a flash. First off, let me tell you that Descript makes it incredibly simple to sync your audio and video. If you're a beginner, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Start by importing your video and audio files into Descript. Once your files are in, you'll notice that Descript automatically detects and transcribes the audio from the video. This is one of the coolest features because the transcription allows you to easily see where things are out of sync. The next step is to align your audio with the video. Descript does this automatically with its overdub feature and auto-align tool. If you've ever struggled with manually syncing video and audio in other programs, you'll love how this works. Simply drag the audio to match the video in the timeline, and Descript will help you adjust things. If it's a simple misalignment, you can fine-tune it by adjusting the clip length or using Descript's precision trimming tool. Now, if you have multiple audio tracks, like a voiceover and background music, syncing them is just as easy. Select the tracks you want to sync and use Descript's multi-clip timeline, where you can adjust each audio track to match the video exactly. You'll be able to zoom in on the timeline to get frame-perfect synchronization. If you're syncing audio and video for a podcast or an interview, Descript makes it even easier. You can click on the sync button, and Descript will take care of the rest. It will line up the audio with the video, ensuring perfect synchronization every time. One of the best things about Descript is that it's not just about syncing, it's about streamlining your whole editing process. You can trim, cut, and adjust both video and audio without needing separate editing programs. This means you can do everything in one place, saving you a ton of time. And here's a cool tip. If you're working with a video that has a lot of cuts or edits, Descript lets you remove or adjust the silences between clips, making your edits sound more natural and fluid. This is great for podcasts, vlogs, or any project where you need smooth transitions. Before we wrap up, don't forget, you can try Descript completely for free using the first link below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses that will help you get the most out of your free trial. So to recap, syncing audio and video in Descript is an easy process that can save you time and make your editing more efficient. With Descript's intuitive features, even beginners can get professional results. Remember, Descript automatically syncs your audio and video, and you can fine-tune it with just a few clicks. Try it for yourself and see just how easy editing can be. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the exclusive extended free trial through the link below to get started with Descript today.